Let me take you back to my first year as a builder. I thought the hard part was going to be framing, managing subs, and doing solid work. But what I didn't expect was how hard it would be to run the business. Here's what my first year as a builder really looked like and what it taught me about what it actually takes to grow. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and the bell to be notified every time I post a new video about how to become an efficient and profitable new construction home builder. I run a coaching and consulting business now, helping home builders create lean, scalable businesses. But before that, I was just like you, doing everything myself, chasing clients, floating costs, and thinking more jobs equal more success. Let me walk you through what I've learned the hard way so you don't have to. The first lesson was good builds don't equal good business. In my first year, I thought if I just did good work, the money would come. So I focused on quality, but ignored pricing and cash flow. What I learned is you can build beautiful homes and still be broke. Running a business means knowing your numbers, building margin, and protecting your time, not just doing good work. The second lesson was being busy doesn't mean you're successful. That first year, I wore every hat. I was the project manager, the estimator, the admin, the cleanup crew. I was proud of the hustle until I realized I was working 70 to 80 hours a week and still not paying myself what I deserved. Hustle isn't a business model. If your business only works when you're working nonstop, it's not scalable, it's just survival. The third lesson, systems matter more than you think. I used to think systems were for big companies. In 1 year, I ran everything out of my head and it showed. Missed change orders, delayed timelines, client frustration. It wasn't about my work ethic. It was about the lack of structure. What I learned, systems protect your profit, your timeline, and your sanity. The sooner you get a repeatable process in place, the sooner you start building something that you can grow without being stuck in it. Looking back now, my first year taught me everything I needed to know by showing me what not to do. If you're earlier in your building journey, or even 5 years and still wearing every hat, I want you to know you don't have to keep learning through the burnout and trial and error. There's a better way to build. If this hit home for you and you're starting to feel like you've built yourself a job, not a business, hit that like button. I want to invite you to download my free guide, From Builder to Business Owner, the 5 Shifts to Scale Without Burnout. Click the link below and download your version. Let me help you skip the pain I went through in 1 year and build something smarter sooner. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.